Hi, everyone. Welcome back to MadeEasy. I'm Jane, and in today's tutorial, we are going to explore one of Power BI's most efficient geographic visuals, the shape map. Now, before we start anything, you might be asking, how is a shape map different from the filled map we covered earlier? That's a great question. While both visuals shade geographic areas using colors, they work very differently under the hood. A filled map relies on live geocoding through Bing Maps, sending your data over the internet to pinpoint detailed satellite or street terrain boundaries. A shape map, on the other hand, uses lightweight vector custom maps, like topology or GeoJSON files. It ignores exact street terrain and focuses purely on simplified, bold region shapes. This makes shape maps load much faster, consume less memory, and allow you to render custom region shapes that standard map engines don't support, like custom sales territories, office layouts, or regional groupings. The best part? The creation process is almost identical to a filled map, so if you've built one before, you already know most of the steps. Let me show you how to build it. Now, make sure you are in the Report view on the left menu. Head over to the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. Look for the icon that shows Stylized Flat Geometric Regions. That is the shape map visual. Go ahead and click it. This drops a blank placeholder frame onto our report canvas. Let's grab these corner handles and stretch it out across the middle of the screen so we have plenty of space to examine our regions. With our shape map selected, let's look at the data buckets in the Visualizations pane. The core buckets we care about are location and color saturation. Let's head over to the data pane on the far right and open our orders table. Find the state/province field. Click and drag it directly into the location bucket. Next, find our key metric, sales, and drag it straight into the color saturation bucket. Look at the canvas. Power BI immediately renders a clean vector outline of the United States and shades every state based on its total sales volume. The darker and lighter areas now help us identify differences in sales performance across the selected regions. Now, let's customize the map style and color palette to make it presentation ready. With the shape map selected, click on the Format Your Visual tab, the paintbrush icon in the Visualizations pane. Expand the Map Settings card. Under Map Type, you can switch between pre-built maps, like USA states, UK countries. Here, Power BI automatically recognized our location data and selected the USA states. Notice there is also an Add Map button here. If your organization uses custom GeoJSON boundaries, like custom sales districts, you can import them right here. Next, let's customize the colors. To adjust your color gradient, expand the Colors card and locate the color saturation settings. Let's set the minimum color to a soft light blue and the maximum color to a deep, bold blue. Notice how crisp and instant the visual renders. Because it doesn't need to load complex terrain or map textures, it updates instantly when you interact with other report slicers. Now let's add a title to make the purpose of the visual clear. Go to General tab under Format Your Visual. Update the title to Sales by State to clearly reflect your geographic data. We can also adjust the title alignment, font size, and other formatting options to match the rest of the report. And just like that, you have a sleek, high-performance shape map built right into your dashboard. A quick pro tip before we wrap up. Use shape maps whenever your dashboard performance is top priority, or when you are building executive summary pages that only need clean state-level or country-level boundaries. Use filled maps when your viewers actually need background geographic context, like cities, roads, or topography. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.